In this new video by Debbie, she is creating this fantasy face art for us. And don't you think it looks beautiful? And you can definitely wear a makeup like this one to any festival you have planned this summer. With a black pencil liner, Debbie drew a line over the nose and just under the eyes. It is the guideline to show her where to stop putting the face paint on her skin. So the paint contains of a lot of spots in different colors. They are by Diamond Effects, they are by Superstar, and I will put a link to all of the products Debbie used in the description box down below. The colors used are pinks, purples and some UV or neon color. There is a pink one and an orange one. And just by dabbing the paint on the skin, it is creating a kind of night sky effect as the colors blend together, of course, when you keep on dabbing it over each other. I think the color combination is absolutely gorgeous. So did you know that Debbie is competing in the NYX Face Awards for the Netherlands this year? It has just started and well, I'm very happy she is competing because I think she is crazy talented. Of course, otherwise I wouldn't have asked her if she wanted to create videos on this YouTube channel. So I think she stands a great chance of actually going very far in this competition. A bit of black face paint to create a sharper line to end the face paint, and with the same technique but a smaller brush, Debbie continues to blend those colors together. And she called this face paint a fantasy face art herself, but I really think it looks more like the night sky. A bit of white face paint in the same dabbing motion creates a sort of a cloud effect. Using her fingers, here is some color on the eyelids. A bit of metallic blue eyeshadow. And once the face makeup is done, Debbie continues to her shoulders and her chest. So as you can see, the brush is slightly bigger to create this part of the makeup, but it is still the same dabbing motion to create the evening sky or the night sky effect on a larger part of her body. So here is pink and purple. Slightly darker color of pink. Look how beautiful that neon orange makes this makeup. It really pops from the skin. And a bit of white face paint on a fluffy brush. And when you put a little light blue over that white, you get even more of the cloud effect on the skin. a lot of imperial purple just under the eyes and over the nose. And once that purple is on there, Debbie is continuing with the same colors and the same process of dabbing that makeup on to create the clouds and the sky effect once again. Of course, there should be stars in a nice evening sky. And just a tiny little bit of glitter. So this is a liquid glitter. Imperial purple for the lipstick as well. It matches the face paint as it is used in the face paint. And that completes Debbie's fancy face art makeup for today. Well, we really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.